Çek bir duman bana dön bunu her tadan aklını kaybedecek. Harmanım içmedim 10 gündür bu durum beni mahvedecek. Senin her türün ayrı bir zevk. Vereceğim seni istiyorum yanımda her gün budur. Çek bir duman bana dön. Çek bir duman bana dön. Çek bir duman bana dön bunu her tadan aklını kaybedecek. Çek bir duman bana dön. Çek bir duman bana dön. Çek bir duman bana dön bunu her tadan aklını kaybedecek. Çek bir duman bana dön. Çek bir duman bana dön. Çek bir duman bana dön.
Let me get into my character real quick. Okay, let's get to this. Let's get to this. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Like, what's good? Like, it's 2019. Like, we in the bag. Okay, we securing the bag. You know what I mean? Like, come on. Like, you feeling this, sis? You feeling it? So, if you're a returning subscriber, like, you know, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for clicking this video. Thank you for supporting me. Like, you know, these days it be hard to find support, but you've been here. You're a real one, you know? And if you just happen to click my video for the first time, hi, like, my name is Essy Estaa. Like, baby, come on. Come on. Like, we about to be family. Like, but the only way that you can be family is if you're subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, like, I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know what you're doing. So I'm gonna give you the opportunity, you know, to, you know, press that subscribe button. It's red, you know, yeah. So I'll give you like 5 seconds. Yeah, that's all you need, just to click, boom, boom. And also press the bell so that, you know, the minute I drop the video, you're gonna be the first one to see it. Okay, without further ado, we're just gonna get right into this video, baby. I primed my eyes with let me show you. I tried something different today, and I primed my eyes with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, which is, oh my gosh, in the color font, affordable, boom boom. And then I tried the NYX glitter primer. I don't know if it's gonna do something different, I don't know, but yeah. So I'm wearing some army fatigue right now, so my inspiration was just green, something like that. Morphe 35V palettes, dual eyeshadow brush from Rite Aid. Started off with this color in the crease. So I'm just applying that to my crease line, a little bit above my crease line though. Just a little bit. Don't go off, sis. Just stay in your league. You know, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Morphe M534. And I took the green shade that was on top of the one we just used, which is this one. I just used it to buff out the color and shade we put in our crease. So I just, you know, a little something, a little brush on top. So this way we have to blend the two shades together. Like this way you have to know that there's two different shades, but you can't tell where you place both of them. They have to be blended. I'm gonna go back in with the previous brush and go back into the crease area to darken that, because it kind of faded a little bit. Okay. Take this green shade right here, and I'm going to use this. It's a Morphe brush, but I don't know what number it is, but it looks like this. I'm going to also add that to the crease area and go from here to the front. The other side of this Rite Aid brush, and the fluffy side. And I'm gonna take the black shade and also I'm gonna go back into the crease. So what I like to do is I like to tap the color in down and then I brush into the crease. I am going to cut my crease using the M224 brush. So now that that's done, I'm just gonna use my buffer brush to just, tap that down. This color right here and apply that to my crease. And what I'm doing is I'm tapping the color in. You always want to tap. I'm going to use this last green that we used. Finish it off, I'm going to use the J. LaRue White Gold. Can you guys see it? Line. Yep, and then I just outlined it, so now I just gotta fill it in. Now I'm gonna use my Essence Lash Princess, cause that's, we princesses be queens, like better than sex. What's that? Do my mascara, and then I'm going to apply my lashes off camera, and we're gonna finish our eyes after.
Çek bir duman bana dön bunu haritadan aklını kaybedecek Harmanım içmedim 10 gündür bu durum beni mahvedecek Senin her türün ayrı bir zevk Mary Jane, Mary Jane, Mary Jane.
So now I'm gonna use the Ruby Kisses Auto Eyeliner in the color White. And I'm gonna apply that to my waterline. So I sprayed my Mario Badescu on, like that little pencil looking brush. And I went back into the white gold, just a little tap, tap, and just tap it on, honey. Honestly, nobody could tell me nothing right now. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. Period. It's that year, like, you talking to me? Oh, okay. Thought so. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you like it. Please leave me comments down below. Tell me what the best part about this video. Tell me videos and looks that you want to see. No, just let me know. Let us just know. Your wish is my command. So don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. And don't forget the big ass baby. Subscribe. Bye.